I have assignment 4. This is problem 4.1, which is running an if-else. We're basically just showing an if-else kind of program. So we're gonna run it, explain it as we go. So we have the input here, which we enter into there. I tried it where if we put in, let's say 21 into there, it should say no obstruction detected and whatnot, but that didn't work. So problem solved by just being able to input it in here. We know the program's going because this is what we're going for, or that's what you're answering to. Enter, no obstruction detected. Such, we're gonna hit run again. This is actually where I would like to make a adjustment, but I'm not actually sure how. Haven't gotten that far into the main part of 1030 to run a loop in this program. But so you see I had to run the program twice. It was only one run through, so obviously there is no live data coming into the input. It is just kind of a one and done. Then you have to hit the program again. So it'd almost have it be if you could just keep going down the line without having to hit run. I guess that would just be a loop through this if-else that would run into infinity. This would be a loop through the inputs, or I don't know if you can do multiple inputs, but it seems like it would run a lot smoother if you could. So you can switch to and 4.2. So using the switch here, fairly easy. So basically what the switch does is if this statement is correct, where the port senses something, or sorry, the ultrasonic sensor senses something over 20 units away, then the switch will go, the normal speed will go through to the motors. If it senses something equal to 20 meters or 20 units or less, this will switch down to there, and then zero, a constant zero, will go to the motors. I'll show you that here. This motor, so it is all based on port sensor there. And then for 4.3, we have a combination of our program from last week, which was to follow the lines. And we have the color sensor, the light threshold, the gain, normal speed, and then we have a switch added on so that if the robot senses something more than 10 units away, this whole part of the program is free to run, but as soon as it senses something 10 or less units away, it will switch, or sorry, the switch will flip, and it will run the constant 0 to the motors unless that object is moved. And so I'll show that here. See, and that's that.